In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and process files in OpenAI using make.com. And the best part is that it's 100% automated. Now, if you're new to make.com, it's a fantastic platform that connects multiple apps, automated workflows, and makes tedious tasks much simpler. Let's get started. First things first, we'll begin by visiting the Make website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.make.com. This is the first step to accessing their robust automation tools. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, you might want to create an account to follow along smoothly. After logging in, you'll need to head over to the Make Home dashboard. It's the central hub where you can see all the possible integrations and tools Make has to offer. On the dashboard, look for the option that says New Scenario. This is where you'll be setting up the new automation task we're about to create. Click on Add to initiate a new scenario. Think of scenarios as workflows where you can set your conditions and triggers for automating tasks. The next step is super crucial. In the search bar, type HTTP and press Enter. Select the HTTP app, which is short for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the foundation of any data exchange on the web. Clicking on the HTTP option is vital because we'll be configuring it to interact with OpenAI and help you process your files. Now, we're moving on to the configuration part. Here is where you'll specify how you want HTTP to function within this scenario. When configuring, you'll usually need to set up the type of request, such as GET or POST, and include necessary headers or key information so that your request is successfully processed by OpenAI. Because this is about file handling, ensure your configurations align with OpenAI's requirements, typically requiring specifics on the file type and data format. Nailing these configurations ensures your files will be correctly uploaded and processed without hitches. Double-check every detail to avoid errors that could disrupt your automation. Remember, attention to detail will save you multiple troubleshooting sessions later on. And there you have it, a seamless, fully automated process for uploading and processing files with OpenAI, all facilitated by the incredible automation power of Make. Following these instructions will streamline your workflow, freeing you to focus on more creative and complex tasks. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy automating!